starting from Hainan would be a perfect place to do it. It's because it's geographically located, it's isolated from the mainland, and second is because it's already in the front opening up. So these two factors, I think, to let Hainan become a pilot place to testing of new policies of reform opening up. We have tourism, we have high-tech, and then we have the other service industry, for example, the healthcare. Here it could be a perfect place for people to have the healthcare industry. So I want to tell you that we are focusing more on other high-tech industries like the cloud computing, big data, digital economy, and those are things. Then the ocean exploring, this is a big thing we have to do. In the last year, we have more than 20 million people visit this city. We have only 1 million people as residents, permanent residents. It used to be just a fishing city, not a city, fishing village. Now it's become an international port. In the future, we also want to have a financial industry, offshore financial center. I hope Sanya could be an offshore financial center. That's my dream.